Every time you check a bag, it embarks on a journey behind the scenes, a complex ballet of machinery and human precision that most travelers never witness. What truly happens to your luggage after it vanishes from sight? The truth is far more intricate and fascinating than you might imagine. Ramp agents, the unsung heroes of the tarmac, are the guardians of your belongings, orchestrating their swift and safe passage from check-in to aircraft. One of the first secrets, the sophisticated sorting systems. Your bag isn't just thrown onto a pile, it's scanned, weighed, and directed with incredible accuracy. Each bag receives a unique barcode, a digital fingerprint that tells the system its destination, flight number, and any special handling instructions. But what about those colorful tags? They're not just for decoration. Different colors and symbols indicate priority, transfer status, or even fragile contents. For instance, a bright orange tag might signify a tight connection, alerting agents to prioritize its transfer to the next flight. Another secret: ramp agents often encounter surprising items. From unusual souvenirs to forgotten valuables, they've seen it all. They are trained to handle everything with care, ensuring that even the most peculiar contents reach their owner safely. The journey from check-in to cargo hold involves multiple checks and balances, designed to prevent misdirection and ensure security. Security screenings are continuous, with advanced technology detecting prohibited items long before they reach the aircraft. And what about those moments of turbulence? Luggage in the cargo hold is secured to prevent shifting, minimizing damage during flight. Upon arrival, the process reverses. Bags are unloaded, sorted by destination, and sent to the appropriate carousel with remarkable speed. The coordination required for thousands of bags across hundreds of flights daily is a testament to the meticulous planning and teamwork of airport staff. So, the next time you check your bag, remember the hidden journey it takes, guided by dedicated professionals and sophisticated systems. It's a world of precision, speed, and surprising discoveries, all working to ensure your belongings arrive safely at your destination. The secrets of the ramp are now revealed, offering a new appreciation for the intricate dance behind every successful flight.